She Debbarma, swearing in the name of God, can solemnly affirm that I will bear the true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by the law established, that I will uphold the sovereignty and integrity of India, that I will faithfully and conscientiously discharge my duties as a cabinet minister of the state of Tripura, and that I will do right to all manner of people in accordance with Constitution and the law without fear or fervor, affection or ill will. I, Sri Debbarma, do swear in the name of God, solemnly declares that I will not directly or indirectly communicate or reveal to any person or person any matter which shall be brought under my consideration or shall become known to me as a cabinet minister for the state of Kwtal, except as may be required for the due discharge of my duties as such cabinet minister.